If you're a homeowner or business owner in Austin, chances are you've faced the daunting task of cleaning out a space. Whether it's decluttering your home, clearing out an estate, or preparing a rental property for new tenants. In these situations, Cleanout Services are a lifesaver. Professional cleanout companies take care of the heavy lifting and sorting, making the process much smoother and less stressful. Here's everything you need to know about Cleanout Services in Austin, and why they might be the solution you need for your next big cleanup. What are Cleanout Services? Cleanout services are professional services that help homeowners, businesses, and property managers clear out spaces quickly and efficiently. These services can range from junk removal and estate cleanouts to hoarding cleanups and even construction debris removal. Whether you're dealing with a home renovation, a moving project, or the loss of a loved one, Cleanout Services can help you get rid of unwanted items and leave you with a clean, organized space. Types of Cleanout Services in Austin. There are several types of Cleanout services available in Austin, each tailored to different needs. The most common services include junk removal. Whether you have old furniture, broken appliances, or just general clutter, junk removal services can help you get rid of unwanted items efficiently. Professional junk haulers will sort, haul, and dispose of your items, ensuring your home or office is free of clutter. Estate cleanouts. Estate cleanouts are often needed after a loved one passes away or when someone is downsizing. This service involves sorting through a person's belongings, determining what can be donated, sold, or discarded, and ensuring the space is cleared out completely. It's a sensitive process that requires both compassion and efficiency. Hoarding cleanups. Hoarding cleanouts are specialized services for homes or properties where hoarding is an issue. These cleanouts require professional expertise to handle large amounts of items safely and efficiently. Hoarding cleanouts often require sensitive and non-judgmental handling of personal belongings. Commercial cleanouts. Businesses and commercial properties often require cleanout services when they are moving or renovating. This service ensures that all unwanted office furniture, equipment, or debris is removed quickly to minimize disruption to the business. Construction debris removal. After a renovation or construction project, cleaning up the debris can be time-consuming and messy. Cleanout services can handle the removal of wood, drywall, concrete, and other materials left behind, leaving the site clear and ready for use. Why hire a professional cleanout service? While it's tempting to tackle a cleanout on your own, hiring a professional cleanout service in Austin offers numerous benefits. Time saving. Cleanouts can be incredibly time-consuming. By hiring professionals, you can avoid the hassle of sorting through items and dealing with heavy lifting. The pros get the job done quickly, leaving you with more time to focus on other tasks. Proper disposal. Professional cleanout companies understand the importance of responsible disposal. They know how to dispose of items safely and in an environmentally friendly manner. Many companies in Austin work with local donation centers and recycling facilities to ensure that reusable items don't end up in the landfill. Experienced handling. Cleanouts often involve large or heavy items that need to be handled carefully. Professional services have the necessary equipment and expertise to move bulky furniture, appliances, and other heavy objects without causing damage to your property. Stress reduction. Cleanouts, especially estate cleanouts or hoarding cleanups, can be emotionally taxing. A professional team can handle the situation with the sensitivity and respect needed to alleviate stress and make the process as smooth as possible. How to choose the right cleanout service in Austin. When selecting a cleanout company in Austin, consider the following factors. Reputation. Look for a cleanout service with positive reviews and a strong reputation in the community. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have used cleanout services before. Pricing. Pricing can vary depending on the size of the job and the type of cleanout. Be sure to get a free estimate before committing to a service. Reputable companies will be transparent about their pricing and may offer different pricing structures depending on the volume of items or the complexity of the job. Experience. Make sure the company you choose has experience in handling the type of cleanout you need, whether it's a hoarding cleanup, estate cleanout, or construction debris removal. Licensing and insurance. Ensure that the cleanout company is licensed and insured to protect yourself from any potential liability in case of accidents or damage during the cleanout process. The cleanout process. What to expect. Once you've hired a cleanout company, the process typically involves the following steps. Scheduling an appointment. Contact the company to schedule a convenient time for the team to arrive at your property. Free estimate. The team will assess the amount of work involved and provide you with a cost estimate based on the scope of the cleanout. Sorting and removal. The professionals will begin sorting through the items, deciding what can be donated, recycled, or discarded. They'll handle all the heavy lifting and transportation of items. Post-cleanup. Once the job is complete, the cleanout company will ensure that your space is left clean, organized, and ready for use. Conclusion. Make your cleanout hassle-free. Hiring a professional cleanout service in Austin can save you time, reduce stress, and ensure that the job is done efficiently and responsibly. Whether you're clearing out a home, preparing a rental property, or handling a construction project, a cleanout service can make the process much easier. By choosing the right company, you'll be able to transform your space, making it more organized and enjoyable to live in or work from.